components of a vector in terms of coordinates of its endpoints. Now we are having 2 points. Now suppose we are having P and Q, P with x1 y1 and coordinates of Q are x2 and y2. Okay. So now then what the result will be? Now let P with coordinates as x1 y1 and Q coordinates x2 y2 be any 2 points in XOY plane. First thing about the points P and Q. And I cap, j cap be any unit vectors along OX and OY, along OX and OY respectively. Now we are having, when we are having coordinates for P x1 y1, it means this distance is x1 and this distance is y1, and similarly for Q, this whole distance from here to here it is x2 and from here to here it is y2. So we are having a PR perpendicular on QS. Okay. So now from P and Q, draw perpendiculars on x-axis and PR is perpendicular on QS. In this figure. Is it clear? Now PR is equal to x2 minus x1 and QR is equal to y2 minus y1. Now vector PR is equal to x2 minus x1 with unit vector I cap and vector QR is equal to y2 minus y1 with unit vector j cap. PQ is equal to vector PQ is equal to vector PR followed by vector RQ. Triangle law of vector. Okay. Now PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 with I cap followed by y2 minus y1 with j cap. Now here what two condition arises? No. Thus number 1 is component of PQ along x-axis is equal to x2 minus x1 with I cap, and number 2 component of PQ vector PQ along y axis is equal to y2 minus y1 with j cap, sorry, with j cap. Now after this we are having now length of PQ is equal to PQ, and to PQ what we can write it, square root for PR square plus RQ square. Is equal to square root for x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So components of a vector in terms of coordinates of its endpoints are what? This thing, and length is this thing. So we are having these two things and this thing.